Hi, this is Dr. Tony Rhodes, chiropractor with the Vita Injury Clinic, and today I'm going to talk about the quadruped exercise. And this is the most commonly prescribed exercise by me and a lot of other physical therapists, personal trainers, chiropractors for back pain or just general fitness and strength. And today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why this is a great exercise. So reason number 1, it establishes a foundation of muscle strength, balance, and coordination. So later down the road, you can complete more complex exercises. So think of a house that has a nice foundation. You can start building upon that. So you don't start building the roof before you start building the foundation. The same thing kind of applies in our body. So that's reason number 1, great foundation. Reason number 2, you'll see in the video that it incorporates a yoga type movement that's called the cat-camel or cat-cow, and that increases joint mobility in your spine, in the neck, low back, mid-back, and that actually helps hydrate the discs in your spine. So this is what a lot of therapists are trying to do when you receive treatment, is really hydrate those discs and get fluid running to those discs and take pressure off those nerves. So this is a great exercise for that. Reason number 3, it's easy to learn. So once you learn this exercise once, you'll know how to perform it. It's not a bunch of complex movements. You can perform this almost anywhere, as you'll see in the video. Equipment is not required. You don't need weights, bands. So you're mainly using gravity to gain muscle strength and coordination in this exercise. So that's another great benefit. Reason number 4, it engages nearly every muscle in your body. So we can target your neck in this exercise, your mid-back kind of between the shoulder blades, your lower back where a lot of people have pain, your core. So when you get to the step where have one arm out, one leg out, you're engaging your core. And you're also engaging your butt muscles, the gluteal muscles, and these are also important to strengthening the low back, the core. So it's really a great exercise for all those reasons. And my last reason number 5, it's very low risk of injuring yourself. So this is one of the main reasons why I like prescribing this. All these benefits, plus you're not putting yourself at risk for making your condition worse, even if you don't perform it exactly how the video shows or the handout shows you. But at the same time, it produces a significant activation of the most important muscles in your spine. This is an exercise that's actually been researched and proven to show that it does activate the most important muscles in your back. So that's the 5 reasons why the quadruped exercise is my go-to exercise for building core strength and for low back pain.
Lauren's going to demonstrate the cat-camel exercise, also known as cat-dog. One of the things you're going to look at is her shoulders are right over the top of her arms, and her knees need to be in just a little bit more towards her face so they're right under the hip. First, she's going to raise up, like some people think this is a cat, other people think this is a camel. So see how her spine is turned, moved up, and her tummy is hollowed in. She'll hold that for a couple seconds, then she'll arch in the opposite direction. Maybe this is a camel, maybe this is a dog. We're going to take her head and have her look at the mat just a little bit more so it's a neutral spine, at least from the neck, and then you'll see she has a sway here. And then she'll return back up into the rounded back with a hollowing in the belly. Lauren's demonstrating now the forward reach. Her arms again start out with her shoulders over the top of her hands. She can do 2 different positions with her hands. If this bothers her wrist, she can curl her arm over, creating a fist, which helps ease the pain if she's having wrist pain. Now we're going to take and she's going to extend out one arm reaching forward. Again, notice her head is looking down towards the mat, and her form is perfect. Then she'll bring her arm back, set it back down on the mat, and reach with the other arm. And pull it back. Lauren's going to demonstrate leg slide. What happens in this exercise, Lauren's going to slowly slide out one leg behind her and then slowly bring it back in. Note that her back, her spine, her upper body is totally stable. Then slide the opposite leg out. Notice she's not moving that much as she slides the leg back in. Lauren's demonstrating donkey kick. She raises one leg up and then raises it back behind her without arching her back, keeping a hollow in here. And then she brings it back down to the knee position, dragging that leg back into knee position and bringing out the opposite leg. Bringing it up. She's going to again hollow in and then slowly bring the leg down, pulling the knee back in towards the chest. When performing bird dog, one raises their opposite arm, one arm and the opposite leg and holds it. Make sure not to let your body twist. Your head, again, you notice, is looking down towards the floor. Slowly bring the arm in, that arm and the leg in, and switch to the other side. Trunk rotation is performed with one arm and the opposite leg extended outward. Then you will pull in to one side, rolling over. Feel the stretch through here, then rotate back to center, pulling that leg and that arm back to starting position. Then you'll complete the same exercise on the opposite side.